Alright guys, if you watched my review video on this gun, it's the DeWalt half-inch impact DCF899 model. I was having a little bit of problems with the gun cutting out under impact, high load situations. I thought it was due to this battery connection being a little loose. Tested all three batteries that I have. Bert actually has a brand new, fairly new battery. I tested that as well. All same scenario. So don't be like me and do what I did. I tore the whole gun apart looking for a bad connection on that battery pack, whatever you want to call it, connection. Can't think of the right term, but that piece has 4 wires going to it, soldered. The 2 smaller wires obviously are the more brittle ones from the solder. I took the heat shrink off both of those, which I didn't have to do, because the problem actually was just the pins on the gun were dirty. So what I did was I took a little bit of electrical cleaner. I had mass airflow laying around, but any electronic cleaner, and I sprayed all these terminals very good, and then I wiped them down with a clean paper towel, sprayed them again. I also cleaned the battery, which I tend to think it obviously helps, but I don't think the battery is the problem, because like I said, every battery was giving me an issue. So after cleaning those pins, terminals, whatever you want to call it, the gun works flawlessly now. Works like it always has. It hammers and it hammers away, regardless of how tight it is. If it can't break it loose, it'll just keep hammering away. So very happy. If you clean the, I'm trying to save you guys some time here because I watched a video, was like, oh, that must be the problem. Tore the whole gun apart, didn't fix it. So first things first, try to just clean these terminals. Easy, quick solution. If that doesn't work, then you're probably gonna have to tear your gun apart, which it's all these little screws. These are T15s, and these deep ones, you're gonna need a screwdriver type T15. You can't just use a bit, it won't fit in there. So there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 screws, and then I actually took these 2 out to pull this whole side of the casing off. You could probably get away with not taking these 2 screws out, but I did just to make it easier. Then like I said, there's 2 wires. The 2 middle wires are a lot thinner. The 2 thick ones almost never are a problem. So if the gun's working, you know they're not a problem because they're the main power wires. The other 2 are sensor signal wires. So if you clean the terminals, still doesn't work, then most likely it's those 2 wires in there. But first, clean your terminals.